Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating on the Fall Lantern Centerpiece Challenge hosted by Arlynn from Arlynn Country Craft Corner and Kim from Sweet Daisy Creation. She asked us to use a lantern, a bow, it could be a bow swag or it can be a funky bow, and a tray. And today I picked out something a little bit different. I have a typical lantern, but I found this on my dollar store. They wanted to get rid of it and I just asked them buy it, and I paid $4 for that one. And look what I found, a big tray. Yes, I found that one on Walgreens and I paid $4.49. It was $14.99, and they wanted to get rid of that one because it has a little damage over here. No one's gonna see that because we're gonna decorate it, so I grabbed that and paid for it, and I'm so happy. I just found one tray here in Puerto Rico that I just had to share that with you. So let's get started. For my lantern, I decided I wanted to go with a bow swag. As you can see, I'm not an expert on bows. This is the first one I do. I hope you like it, but this is the first one and I'm pleased with the result. It looks good, I guess. And I wanted to go with a bow swag to put it right here on my lantern. As you can see, now I'm gonna install it. And I'm using this to install it because I have this wire. Alright, now it's how I want it. Okay, let me put this the way it goes, and now we're gonna flop our bowl and put it where we want it, every bit of it. Alright, we're gonna fluff it out, our little bowl, and place our lantern. So we're putting our lantern right here in the center of our tray. As you can see, I have some things to decorate around it, but I want to start by placing my lantern in the center, and after that I will start decorating around it and making sure my lantern is looking good and my bow is looking perfect, so I can keep going. And after that, I'm gonna place, I dried this corn and just give it a little coating of acrylic clear spray paint. Repeat the same steps on the back part, and then I will show you how this turned out. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, here is our bow swag, here is our corn, our pumpkins, our other pumpkins, the glitter ones. This is how it turned out. I just want to say thank you to Arlynn and Kim for bringing these challenges. I just had a blast in all of them. I love everything I created, and this would stay here until Thanksgiving. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye bye.